Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll walk you through how to cancel your Hostinger VPS subscription. Whether you found another solution or just don't need VPS anymore, the process is simple once you know where to go. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and go to hostinger.com. This is your starting point for managing all services. At the top right corner, click on the login button. Enter your email and password to sign in. If needed, you can reset your details here as well. Once logged in, you'll arrive at Hostinger's dashboard, also known as the H panel. This is where you control all hosting and VPS services. From the dashboard, head over to the billing section. This is where you'll see an overview of payments, invoices, and active subscriptions. Inside billing, look for the subscriptions tab. Clicking this will bring up a list of every service tied to your account, including your VPS. Scroll through the list until you find your VPS subscription. Each entry is clearly labeled, so it's easy to spot. Next to your VPS, click Manage or Cancel. Hostinger may prompt you with confirmation steps or alternatives, like keeping the service. If you're certain, go ahead and confirm cancellation. Before finalizing, check your billing cycle. If you cancel after a certain point, you might still be charged for the next period, so it's good to review these details. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your Hostinger VPS subscription. This way, you're only paying for services you actually need. If you have questions, Hostinger's customer support is always available to help. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials.